Morning students. Okay, in the previous class I taught about the books. Biography and autobiography. Okay, I already taught you about this. So next point is what is mean by tabakat? What is mean by tabakat? See here, it is a Arabic word, tabakat. It is a tabakat is a Arabic word. Is an Arabic word. Arabic word. What is that mean of this means here? It is a generation or centuries we can say. Generation or centuries. Generation sollalam plus or we can say centuries. So it is a meaning of tabakat. Now next tusk. See here the next meaning is tusk. First meaning we can see the tabakat and next is tusk. What is mean by tusk means it is a Persian word. It is a Persian word. It is a Persian word which says about the, what is the meaning of this means here? Autobiography. Autobiography. So first books, biography, autobiography. In that this is an Arabic word. What is tabakat means? It is an Arabic word which is saying what the meaning of this tabakat means. In the Arabic word it is a generation or centuries. The meaning in the English. So next is tarikh. See, next is tarikh. What is mean by tarikh or tahqiq? Tarikh or tahqiq. What is that meaning? It is the word of, it also is a Arabic word. It also a Arabic word. What is the meaning of this Arabic word means here? History. So listen, do you know that this is an Arabic word and this is a Persian word and this is also a Arabic word. Example, they say about the tabakat. What is the tabakat in the Arabic meaning in English? What is that means? Generation or century. Tust. It is in the Persian word. It is a Persian word. What is the meaning in English means it is a autobiography. Now next is tarikh or tahqiq. Tahqiq. What does that mean of the in Arabic and what is the meaning in the English? Arabic word is tarikh or tahqiq. In the English meaning is history. Okay, these are the important information which is I want to tell you. So next is in the 16th century. See here. So in the 16th century, the empire, who means Babur. Now example, we have the Mughal Empire, 6th Empire, we have Mughal Empire. So in that the first one is only the Babur. So in the Babur, so what is the name of the Babur means here? He is the one of the great person who has started the Mughal Empire. The Babur Nama and Abu Fazl. Abu Fazl is a Ain-e-Akbari. So Ain-e-Akbari, it is the name of one of the book who wrote in the Akbar court, one of the person. Akbar Nama provided a detailed information. So Babur Nama, the Babur Nama giving the information about the Babur life history. Babur life history. So next is Akbar. In the Akbar also they giving the information in the Akbar Nama. Akbar Nama which giving the information about the life history of the Akbar. So these are who wrote the history about the Babur and Akbar. Akbar Nama and Babur Nama, it is one of the book and giving the more information about the Babur and Akbar. So it is in the these two empires. The information about these two empires, they saying the Tuzk-e-Jahangiri. Tuzk-e-Jahangiri who wrote his memorial. Tuzk-e-Jahangiri. Jahangiri பத்தி சொல்றது என்னன்னா அவங்க பத்தி வந்து எழுதி இருக்காங்க. சோ அது வந்து அந்த புக் நேம் வந்து என்னன்னா see Jahangir. So the book name is Tustare Jahangiri. Tustare Jahangiri. This also life history of the Jahangir. He is one of the Mughal emperor after the Akbar Jahangir. So next is they say about the throwing a lot of light on the period, because what they say means because we have the 6 empires. So in the 6 empire, Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Shah Jahan and Jahangir, Aurangzeb. These are the Mughal empire. In that who are very famous means Akbar, Babur and Jahangir. They are wrote some of the book. Who wrote means in the court, some one person has writing the life history about the Jahangir, Akbar and Babur. So all this in this we can see it is a part of the autobiography. Autobiography means I already said you one person writing about himself. It's called a autobiography. So it is called a Tabaqat-e-Akbari. Here is the Tabaqat-e-Akbari who wrote by the Akbar, author by Nizamuddin Ahmad. So in that they considerable and they count about that. What is the counting about that? Abu Fazal. So similarly we can see Badauni outstanding work. What they are saying means in that Akbar Nama Pati எழுதிருக்கிறது அவங்களே அவங்க பத்தி எழுதிருக்காங்க. So அது வந்து ரொம்ப wonderful and tremendously they are wrote. Now next is Tariq-e-Badauni. It is a Badauni history. Tariq-e-Badauni சொல்றது ஒரு history எழுதிருக்காங்க Badauni பத்தி. Okay, was published in 1595. Publish எப்ப பண்ணிருக்காங்க? 1595 ல publish பண்ணிருக்காங்க. This work is very famous in that we have the 3 volume. First volume, second volume and third volume. We are saying no, like that we have the 3 volume about the Badauni. The volume on Akbar reign is a frank and critical account of Akbar administration and particularly of his religious policy. Akbar Pati, when he has wrote something, it is based on the administration, all the things, but he has wrote the religious policy also, because Akbar has married one of the Hindu women. So after the marrying, so many persons are questioning against the Akbar, but Akbar saying, I am the person who is giving the freedom for the people, what the culture, what the religion, or Hindu or Muslim, whatever may be, they can freely, they can talk and they can do all that culture. So travelers and travelogues. So next is travelers and travelogues. Travelers. So travelers. Who is traveling? Travelogues means I already said one person who visited to the places or something. So in that period, Marco Polo, it is the name of a person in the travelogues. Marco Polo person, he belongs to Venetian. Venetian means from the Venice, from the native place, Venice. Traveler visited when the Pandyan king, when the time of the Pandyan period. In the time of the Pandyan period, he was ruling. That time who entered means Marco Polo has entered in that time. It is in the time Tamil power. At that time, I already said you, Pandyas, Cholas, Cheras and Pallavas, they are ruling the South India. In that time, the Pandyas period, who has entered, that means the Marco Polo has entered, and they says about that, what they are saying, they are saying about in the 13th century, the Tamil power is very high. In the 13th century, Tamil power is very high on that time in the Pandyas. After that, Marco Polo was twice in a Kayal. Kayal means it is one of the place who has twice visited in that, which was a port city. What is that mean? Thoothukudi district, in the Thoothukudi district of Tamil Nadu. So it was full of ships from the Arabia and China. Ships, you know, கடல் பகுதியில நம்ம என்ன ஹார்பர் எல்லாம் பார்க்கிறோம், பெரிய பெரிய ஷிப் இருக்கு. So அது வந்து they are travel by the ship only from one country to another country. So on that time they are full ship from what? Arabia to China. Next, according to Marco Polo, thousands of horses were imported into southern India. What they saying means Marco Polo what they explaining என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா thousands of horses வந்து among the sea they are sending the horses from the Arabia to Persia. Arabia and Persian from where they are sending from Arabia and Persian from the many thousands of horses they are sending to that. Next is Al-Baroni. So next they are saying about the Al-Baroni. So in the Al-Baroni they talks about the one of the king. See here Al-Baroni. Al-Baroni was living the 11th century. He was living in 11th century which accompanied with the companion of the Muhammad Ghazi. Muhammad Ghazni. Al-Baroni living century is 11th century. They are not mentioning the date and years also. So 11th century he was lived, and after that who is the companion means here Muhammad Ghazni, and after that of his comes they stay in India for 10 years. Both of them staying in India 10 years. How many years? 10 years he was living, and after that the most accurate account of the Muhammad Somnath expedition in the that of Al-Baroni. So us learn man as a scholar. I said you as a man who learn as a scholar. Scholar means those who are very well known about the very brave person, a very courageous person to fight against all those things. And then he traveled all over India, and after that he was traveling all over India. Al-Baroni travel India trying to understand what he want to try to understand the India and her people, how they are people living in India and how look the India. Okay, so Al-Baroni was traveling around the India because he wanted to search about the India. So after that he learned the Sanskrit language. And he studied philosophy of India. So in his book Tahqiq-e-Hind, I already said Tahqiq means it is a study about in the Hind side. Al-Baroni was discussing in the Indian condition system. What is that means? Knowledge and social norms and religion. Ibn Battuta. Now next, this is the history about the Al-Baroni. Now next is Ibn Battuta. So Ibn Battuta was living century 14th century. He was lived in 14th century. In the 14th century, Arab. He was born in Arab. Morocco scholar. We traveled from the Morocco right across the North Africa to Egypt. Was traveling. Ibn Battuta has traveling from Morocco to North Africa and after that Egypt. So and then in the Central Asia and next is India. So his travel of Rihala and travels. So contains rich information about this, and after that in full detail we can say it is a people who the country who visited, the people and countries visited by the Ibn Battuta. Okay, Ibn Battuta as traveling so many countries, and he was in the 14th century throughout the world. We can say throughout the world Ibn Battuta has traveling and visited so many countries. According to him, Egypt was very rich. What Ibn Battuta, Egypt is very rich. What he is saying? Egypt is very rich from all comparing countries. So because of whole of the India trade means business, from the Indian business with the West passes through it, and Ibn Battuta tell us that caste and practice of sati. Caste means in the காலத்துல ஏஷியன் டைம்ல என்ன பண்ணாங்க? Practice of sati. Satina enna, or woman, husband has died. After dying, the death the husband, what happened? All the villages, all the relations and villages people, they from the husband is burning means instead of that the wife also want to burn in the husband. சத்தினா என்ன, அவங்க புருஷன் செத்து போயிட்டாங்க, அவங்க வந்து என்ன பண்றாங்க, இது பர்ன் பண்றாங்க. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, வில்லேஜ்காரங்க எல்லாம் சேர்ந்துட்டு அவங்களுக்கு அவங்க ஒய்ஃப் கூட என்ன கட்டி போட்டுட்டு அவங்க கூட அப்படியே அலைவா வந்து burn பண்ணிடுறாங்க. So this is a practice of sati, and we learn from him and that Indian merchants were carrying on this trade and the foreign ports and India's ships has to be seized. நம்ம வந்து ஃபாரின் கண்ட்ரி எப்படி டிராவல் பண்ண போறோம் அந்த காலத்துல வந்து how we are traveling means from the seasides. So describe the city of Delhi in the magnificent city. What does that mean? Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq has transferred the Delhi to Devagiri. Devagiri, what is it now? It called means Daulatabad. Sultan என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா Muhammad bin Tughlaq Sultan, he has changed the capital Delhi to Devagiri. What is the Devagiri now we call means here? Now present means we are calling as a Daulatabad. So it is in the south India is there, and converting this city into a desert. That Daulatabad is converting a city as a desert. Next, see, this is a picture of Ibn Battuta. So, in the south, Vijayanagara, on that time, Ibn Battuta, who was living period means Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire, he was living, and many foreign visitors who left behind their detailed account of the state. An Italian named Nicola Conti in the 1420 he was living. Abdul Razzaq came to the heart that great Khan in Central Asia. Ibn Battuta என்ன சொல்றாங்க? யார் சொல்றாங்கன்னா Abdul Razzaq என்ன சொல்றாங்க? One of the great person who has lived in the great Central Asia in 1443. The Domingo Pais, a Portuguese traveler. Domingo Pais is a Portuguese traveler. He was visited in 1522. All of them should recorded that this is the abbreviation which saying the useful information about the Vijayanagara Empire. Who was living in that period means Ibn Battuta. What are the achievements he has done? Serialism. Children, these are the lesson with source of the information means most of the things are missing in this lesson because they are not giving detailing, but some of the history person who was very famous person, who was very notable person, they gave some of the history. Can you understand? Okay, wow. So Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Tariq-i Babar, Akbar, Jahangir, and travelogues. These are the things which can see in this lesson. Okay, so this lesson has to be finished. So we can in next class I will give the question answer. Thank you, student.